Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to the Sophia Class Podcast. I am so excited today. My energy is at 100%.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back. I can see that, Sophia. You are practically jumping in your chair. Why are you so happy today?
Because, Bob, today we are going on a trip. We are going to travel around the world. Pack your bags, Bob.
Hold on, Sophia. We are in a recording studio. We have microphones, not airplanes. We can't actually travel right now.
Oh, Bob, you have no imagination. Today, we are going to use the power of imagination. We will take our listeners to the most stressful, busy, and exciting place in the world, the airport.
Ah, I see. An airport simulation. That is a brilliant idea. Speaking English at an airport is very important. But Sophia, why is this video special for our friends listening?
Great question. Friends, this video is a double power lesson. First, it improves your listening. You will hear real conversations.
And second, and this is very important, it improves your speaking. We will use a technique called shadowing.
Shadowing? Bob, that sounds like a ninja movie. What does shadowing mean?
Not ninjas, Sophia. Shadowing means you listen to what we say and then you repeat it immediately. You become our shadow with your voice. It helps your mouth muscles learn English.
Exactly. So, friends, are you ready to speak out loud? Don't be shy. Let's test it right now. Say this after me. I am ready to fly.
Wow, I think I heard them, Sophia. Good job, everyone. That was your first success.
Okay, Bob, let's start the simulation. Close your eyes, everyone. Whoosh! We are inside the airport. It is big, it is bright, and it is noisy.
Yes, the first place we go is the check-in counter.
Check-in counter. What happens there, Bob?
The check-in counter is the desk where you show your documents and give them your bags. It's the first stop.
Okay, I'm walking to the desk. There is a lady there. She looks very serious. What do I say?
Just smile and say, "Hello, I would like to check in, please."
Okay, friends, it's your turn. This is your shadowing moment. Say it loud. I would like to check in, please.
Excellent. Now, the lady asks you a very important question. She says, "May I see your passport and ticket, please?"
Passport? Oh, no, Bob. Where is my passport? I checked my pocket. It's empty. I checked my bag. Nothing. Oh, no. I left it at home. The plane will leave without me.
Sophia, breathe. Calm down. Look in your other hand.
Oh, it was in my hand the whole time. Oops. Friends, passport is the little book with your photo that lets you travel to other countries. Never lose it.
And ticket is the paper that says you paid for the flight. Okay, you give her the passport. Now she asks another question. She says, "Where are you flying to today?"
That is easy. I say, I am flying to New York. Friends, where do you want to go? Tell me now. Say, I am flying to, and add your dream city.
I think I heard someone say London, and someone else said Tokyo. Nice choices.
Okay, Bob, the lady is typing on her computer. Click, click, click. Then she asks, window or aisle?
Ah, the seat question.
Aisle? That's a strange word. A-I-S-L-E. Bob, what does aisle mean?
Good question. The aisle is the walking path in the middle of the plane. If you sit in the aisle seat, you can stand up easily to go to the bathroom.
And the window seat is next to the window, so you can see the clouds. I love the clouds. I want a window seat.
Okay, friends, quick choice. Do you like the window or the aisle? Shout it out now.
Awesome. Okay, I have my seat, but Bob, I have a big problem. I have a gigantic suitcase, and I think it is too heavy.
Uh-oh, that's called luggage. And if it is too heavy, we have a drama coming up next.
Okay, Bob, I am at the counter, but my suitcase is so heavy, I can barely lift it.
Careful, Sophia. That big bag is called checked luggage.
Checked luggage? Bob, what does that mean? Why is it checked?
Checked luggage means the big bags that go inside the bottom of the airplane. You cannot take them to your seat. You give them to the lady at the counter.
Oh, good. I don't want to carry this monster. But I have a small backpack, too. Is this checked luggage as well?
No, Sophia. That small bag is your carry-on.
Ah, friends, listen closely. A carry-on is the small bag you keep with you on the plane. You carry it on the plane. Easy, right?
Exactly. Now, Sophia, put your big bag on the scale.
The scale? Is that a musical thing? Do, re, mi?
No singing today, Sophia. The scale is the machine on the floor that weighs your bag. It tells us how heavy it is. Usually, the limit is 23 kilograms.
Okay, I am putting it on the scale. Beep, beep, beep. Oh no, the lady looks angry, Bob.
Sorry, madam, your bag is overweight.
Overweight? What does that mean?
It means it is too heavy. It is over the limit. You have a problem, Sophia.
Oh no. Friends, imagine this. You are at the airport and your bag is too heavy. What do you do? Bob, help me. What are my options?
You have two choices. Choice 1, you pay a fee.
A fee means extra money you must pay as a penalty. I don't want to pay extra money. I want to save money for pizza. What is choice 2?
Choice 2, you open your bag and take some things out.
Okay, I will take things out. Let's see what is inside. Oh, look, Bob. It is my collection of 10 heavy English dictionaries.
Sophia, why did you pack 10 dictionaries? You only need one, or just use your phone. Take them out.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, they're out. Now the bag is light. Phew.
Great job. Now the lady smiles. She gives you a very important piece of paper. It is your boarding pass.
Yes, the boarding pass. Friends, this is the most important paper. It is your permission to get on the airplane. No boarding pass, no flying.
Exactly. Now, Sophia, look at your boarding pass. There is a special time written on it. It says boarding time.
Boarding time. Listeners, this is critical. Boarding time means the time when people start entering the plane. It is not the time the plane leaves, it is earlier.
Correct. If the flight is at 10, the boarding time is usually 9:20. Don't be late.
Okay, friends, let's practice. I want you to look at your imaginary boarding pass. Bob, tell them the time.
The boarding time is 2:30 p.m.
Okay, friends, repeat after me loudly. My boarding time is 2:30. Go!
Wonderful.
Okay, Bob, we have our boarding pass, we have our carry-on bag, but now we have to go to the scary place.
Oh, yes. Security check.
I'm scared, Bob. What if the machine beeps at me?
Don't worry, Sophia. We will guide our friends through it. Let's go to security.
Okay, Bob, we are here. There are so many people. Everyone looks serious. They are taking off their shoes? Why are they taking off their shoes?
Relax, Sophia. This is the security check. It keeps everyone safe on the plane. First step, grab a plastic tray.
Tray? Is that like a plate for food? I am hungry again.
No food yet. A tray or a bin is the plastic box. You put your phone, your wallet, and your keys inside it.
Ah, listeners, the tray is the basket for your small things. Okay, Bob, my phone is in the tray, my keys are in the tray. What about my laptop?
Electronics out. You must take your laptop out of your bag. Put it in a separate tray.
Okay, laptop out. Done.
Now I will just walk through.
Stop. Sophia, wait. What is that in your hand?
This? It is just my giant bottle of soda. I am thirsty.
You cannot take that. Liquids are not allowed if they're big.
Liquids? You mean my drink? My water? My shampoo?
Yes, liquids means anything wet. Water, juice, perfume. The rule is no liquids over 100 milliliters. That bottle is huge. Throw it away, Sophia, now.
Goodbye, delicious soda. Okay, it's gone. Now can I go?
Yes, walk through the metal detector.
Listeners, the metal detector is the door frame you walk through. It checks if you have metal on your body, like knives or heavy jewelry.
Okay, Sophia, walk through. 1 step, 2 steps.
Ah, it beeped. Everyone is looking at me. Bob, I'm going to jail.
Sophia, stop. You are not going to jail. You just forgot something metal. Check your pockets.
My pockets? Oops. I have a lot of coins in my pocket.
Coins are the small metal money. They always make the machine beep.
Okay, friends, this is important. Imagine the security officer is looking at you. He says,
Empty your pockets.
yes. Listeners, repeat the command. Be the security guard. Say, empty your pockets. Okay, Bob, we survived security. No more beeping. I feel like a superhero. Whoosh.
Ha, good job, Super Sophia. But now, look at your watch. We have 30 minutes until our flight leaves. We need to find our gate.
The gate? I see many signs. G1, G2, G3. There are hundreds of them. Bob, which one is ours?
Look at the big blue screen on the wall. That is the departures board.
Ah, listeners, pay attention. The departures board is the big TV that lists all the flights leaving. It tells you the time, the city, and the gate number.
Okay, friends, let's play a game. Look at the imaginary board. Find our flight. Flight 202 to New York.
Okay, London, Paris, Rome. Ah, there it is. Flight 202, New York, gate B12.
Wait, Sophia, look closely. The board just changed. It flashed yellow.
Yellow? Oh no, what does it say?
It says gate change. Now it is gate C45.
C45? That is on the other side of the airport. Bob, we have to run.
Run, Sophia, run! Go, go, go!
I'm running. Listeners, imagine running with your bags. Faster, faster.
Okay, stop. We're here. Gate C45. Look at the sign. It says boarding.
We made it. Boarding means people are getting on the plane. Look, the line is moving.
Now, take out your boarding pass again. The agent scans it. Beep, and you walk down the bridge.
Ah, the bridge to the airplane. I can smell the coffee already. Hello, stewardess.
She smiles and says, Welcome aboard. Your seat is 12A.
12A, 12A. Here it is, my beautiful window seat. I sit down. Ah, so soft.
Now, one last thing, Sophia. Before the plane moves, what must you do?
I must fasten my seatbelt. Click. Listeners, imagine you are sitting in a comfortable chair. You are safe. You are going on an adventure. Take a deep breath. In and out.
Excellent. You did it, friends. You navigated the airport like a pro.
Yes, you are amazing travelers.
Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight. But before you fall asleep, Sophia,
What? Is there a quiz? I love quizzes.
yes, it is time for the super fast review.
Okay, travelers, the plane is in the air. You are safe. But do you remember how you got here?
I remember everything, Bob. My brain is full of airport English.
Let's test that. And let's test our friends listening. It is time for the Airport Speed Challenge.
Okay, friends, are you ready? Bob will ask a question. You must answer before I do. Shout the answer at your screen. Let's go.
Question number 1. What is the small book you need to travel to another country?
Passport. Did you say passport? Yes.
Question number 2. What do you call the bag that goes inside the bottom of the plane, not with you?
Checked luggage. Be careful, don't make it overweight.
Question number 3. At security, what machine makes the beep sound?
The metal detector. Scary machine.
Last question. What is the paper that gives you permission to get on the plane?
The boarding pass or your ticket.
Fantastic. If you got all 4 correct, you are an airport master.
Yay! Great job, everyone. We are so proud of you. You shadowed us, you ran to the gate, and you learned so many new words.
Remember, friends, learning English is like a long flight. Sometimes there is turbulence.
Turbulence? That means when the plane shakes, right?
Exactly. Sometimes it is bumpy and hard, but if you stay in your seat and keep practicing, you will arrive at your destination. You will speak fluent English.
We want to know where your destination is. Please write in the comments below. I want to fly to, and tell us the country. Is it Italy, Brazil, Japan? Tell us.
And if you enjoyed this flight with Sophia class, please hit the like button and subscribe for your next ticket.
Now, Bob, the stewardess is coming with the food cart. I smell something. Is it chicken or pasta?
I think it's just peanuts, Sophia.
Oh, peanuts. Oh, well, better than nothing. Thank you for traveling with us, everyone.
Safe travels, friends. See you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye. Fly high.